This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. I just installed this automatic chicken coop door opener. It's only like 30 bucks from Amazon. There's some models that are a lot more expensive, about maybe 100 to even over 200. This one's just a plastic model, but I wanted to check it out, see if it would work. So I cut a hole in the screen and I installed this. I put some extra plywood strips behind it to give it an anchor point. And then I installed just 4 screws to hold it on, 2 in the upper corner and 2 in the lower corner. I did end up painting the frame there. Here's what it looks like at night. This is the first night trying it out. So it closed at about 8:45 p.m. I was just shining a flashlight on it to symbolize the sun coming up. And it came up nice and smooth. Now, since it's dark, it'll go back down. So this morning it opened up at about 5:30 a.m. and then it closed the night before it again about 8:45 p.m. Seems to work really good. It's a very smooth operation, and the chickens were already inside. I don't think this one has the crush-proof feature, so if it did come down on your chicken, it could hurt them, but it does close really slowly, so I'm sure they'd be able to get out of the way. I'm not sure how predator-proof this is. I think it would stop these kind of critters, but I don't know about a raccoon, whether it could get in or not, because it is just plastic. But so far, I really think it's a good deal, especially for just 30 bucks.